In today's video, we will discuss Avogadro's law. What is Avogadro's law? Avogadro law says that equal volume of all gases contain equal number of moles. Here N represents the number of moles and V represents the volume. Okay, so when we take the same volume, it contains a same number of molecules. It is applicable for all gases, and it is valid under identical conditions of temperature and pressure. Okay. Next is atom. What is atom? Atom is the smallest unit of any element, okay, which can take part in a chemical reaction. And one more thing about atom, atom may or may not have the independent existence. For example, atoms of ideal gases can exist independently, but atom of other gases like oxygen and nitrogen cannot exist independently. Okay. Next topic is molecule. What is molecule? Molecules is also a smallest particle but of substance, which and it can exist independently. Okay, it can exist independently always. Next is atomic masses. What is atomic mass? Atomic mass can be defined by this formula. So atomic mass equals to mass of an atom divided by 1 upon 12th mass of a carbon atom. It means atomic mass is a number which represents that how many time of the mass of an atom is greater than the 1 upon 12th mass of a carbon atom. And this unit 1 upon 12th mass of a carbon atom is known as 1 AMU, which is equals to 1.66056 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay. Next topic is average relative atomic mass, isotopic mass. So what is average relative atomic mass? It has been found that many atoms in nature present as a mixture of their isotopic forms. Okay, so that type, the atomic mass of that type of element known as average relative atomic mass. Okay, and the value of atomic mass of that type of element depends upon the composition of the isotope. Next topic is gram atomic mass or gram atom. So what is gram atomic mass or gram atom? As we know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 AMU. So when we take 1.00 gram, okay, it means equal to atomic mass, quantity equal to atomic mass. It is known as gram atomic mass. So what is gram atomic mass? Gram atomic mass is a quantity which is numerically equal to the atomic mass of any atom. Okay, so this is gram atomic mass. Next topic is molecular mass. So again, like atomic mass, molecular mass is also a number which presents that how many times mass of an molecule is greater than the 1 upon 12th the mass of a carbon atom. Okay. Next topic is gram molecular mass or gram molecule. So it is also like gram atomic mass. So as we know that atomic mass of O2 is equals to 32. 2 into 16 equals to 32 AMU. So when we take 32 gram of oxygen, it will be considered as gram molecular mass. So what is gram molecular mass? Gram molecular mass is the quantity in gram which is numerically equal to the molecular mass of particular element. Next topic is mole concept. What is mole concept? The mole is defined as the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12. Okay, here 12 gram of carbon 12 is ideal or standard value. Okay, so according to mole concept, some informations are given like 1 mole equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. 1 mole of atom 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom means whenever you calculate 1 mole of any type of entity, it will be equal to this number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 of that particular entity. Like 1 mole of atom equals to Avogadro number atoms, 1 mole of molecule equals to Avogadro number molecules, 1 mole of ions equals to Avogadro number ions, and 1 moles of electron also equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 electrons. So this is the information given by mole concept. And also what is Avogadro's number equals to? Avogadro number equals to number of atom present in 1 gram atom of any substance. This is about atom. Avogadro number can be equals to number of molecule present in 1 gram molecule of any substance, and Avogadro number n is also equals to number of ions present in 1 gram ion of any ionic substance. Okay, next topic is molar mass. So what is molar mass? The mass of 1 mole of any type of entity, like mass of 1 mole of atom, mass of 1 mole of molecule. Okay, so the mass of 1 mole of particular type of elementary entity like atom, molecule or ion is known as molar mass. Next topic is concentration or composition or strength of a solution. So the amount of solute dissolved in a particular amount of solvent is known as composition or strength or concentration of the solution. Okay, so what is strength, concentration and composition? Actually the amount of solute present in a particular amount of solvent. Okay, so suppose somewhere W over W is written. Okay, so what it means? It means that suppose 10%, okay, 10% is written on the bottle of urea solution. So it means 10% urea solution means that 10 gram of urea are present in 100 gram of solution, and solvent being only 100 minus 100 equals to, sorry, 100 minus 10 equals to 90 gram. Okay, similarly if V over V is written, so what it means? It means 10% by volume means 10%. Suppose 10% ethyl alcohol solution is written on the bottle of ethyl alcohol solution. So it means 10 ml of ethyl alcohol dissolved in 100 gram of the solution. Okay. Now what is parts per million? Parts per million means it is the part of a component per million part of the solution. It can be calculated by mass of component divided by total mass of solution into 10 to the power 6. Next is mass by volume percentage. It is represented by W over V. So if W over V is written somewhere, it means 10% W over V solution means 10 gram of solute like NaCl are dissolved in 100 ml of solution, means quantity upon volume. Here volume over volume, and here quantity over quantity, means mass over mass. Next concentration term is molarity. What is molarity? It is the number of mole. You can define it by this formula. Molarity, capital M, equals to moles of solute divided by volume of solution, means number of moles present, volume, 1 liter volume of the solution, okay, is represented by molarity, capital M. What is molality? Molality, number of moles present in mass of solvent in kg. Okay, yani per k means per kg of solvent, moles of solute present in per kg of solvent is known as molality, and it is represented by small m. What is normality? Normality is the number of gram equivalent present in volume of solution per liter. Okay, and last is mole fraction. What is mole fraction? Mole fraction is the number of moles of component divided by total number of moles. Actually mole fraction of component means mole fraction can be of solute or solvent. Okay, so that's why I have written component here. Whenever you want to calculate the mole fraction for solvent, so formula will be number of moles of solute divided by total mole, and if you want to calculate the mole fraction of solvent, then number of moles of solvent divided by total number of moles.